Hi, Haley. I know that when we spoke yesterday, I said that I would usually send you this quick little video, and that we were gonna maybe skip over it just because you didn't have a website, and normally I would go back and forth to compare. But I got to thinking, and I figured I should probably show you a little bit of a comparison, anyhow, just between websites so you can understand what the ranking difference is and what I'm looking at to see if I can help out your business. So I was bringing up one of your local one of the other landscaping contractors there, a competition site, and this one is the one that pops up first. This one is called Accent Landscapes Incorporated. It comes up first, and it has these are the things that I'm looking at. It shows, so when we build your website, and it has all of the words in it that are popping up and showing Google what to do with it. It has also something called backlinks that show and tell the site where to go and how to rank, and it makes it recognizable there in Google. And then, so like this site that's ranking #1 right now is going to show up when you search it, and it's going to have this 759 backlinks. And then I pulled up another website as well called Elevated Landscape, and they had a really good site too, but they're not getting any traffic. And this would be the one that I would have probably compared you to if I had found a website for you. Excuse me. So their site is built really well. They just don't have any information in it that's telling Google to rank them up where they need to be. So like they have 4 backlinks, whereas these guys had 759. And then this Elevated Landscapes also is only getting like 46 site visits per month maybe. And then these guys are getting over 1,000 and it's because of how the words are set up. So they also have keywords. So we will go into the website and not necessarily hide, but definitely purposely plug in keywords that are gonna, boost the site and like I said, tell it where to go, tell Google to recognize it. So these guys here, this Accent Landscaping that's ranking #1 has over 1,000, keywords. And then these guys here, they have 80. So while they have their website built and it is really pretty, it's just not ranking anywhere. So what I wouldn't want to do for you is build you a site that's going to do what these guys are doing. We want to make sure that you get ranked up where you need to go, because if we go to google.com, excuse me, my computer defaults to Yahoo for some reason. I'm not really sure why. So if I go into Google and I type Colorado Springs Landscaping, pops up because I've looked at it a couple times. This is our Google Map pack, and these are the guys that are like right at the top. So these are the main competition, and the goal in the end is to get you ranked up here in with these guys and outrank them. These might be bigger companies. I'm not exactly sure how big your company is. We'll talk about that later on this afternoon when we get a chance to talk. But normally, like I said, I would go back and forth and show you some things about your website versus their website, and see, and maybe kind of show you some things that are numbers wise that are going to be helping you out. But in this case, all I can do is grab a couple other websites and check it out. See, this is the one that ranks the top. That other website for the other company is actually a prettier website. But it's all about these numbers to get you in there and get Google to know what to do with you. You really want all these backlinks, so you want way, way, way more of those, and thousands more of these, similar to these guys here that are ranking up in the top. So, like I said, I know I wasn't going to send this to you, but I figured it might be helpful for you to go ahead and do that. And this is a program that I pay for to be able to monitor websites and check into things for you, because you can always go in and do this too. But it's, you know, just deciding on whether you want to do it or have somebody else do it. And I'm the somebody else, but hopefully we can figure some stuff out when we talk later on this afternoon. And I look forward to getting to know you a little bit and having you tell me about your company and kind of what your goals are. All right, Haley, thanks for your time. Hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.